Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku, Basel on September 27, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. 4th grade. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 216. So 216 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column B, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 1. Column H, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. Column D, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3rd row, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 8. Column H also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H and 2nd grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 4. 10th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then the 4 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then the 4 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 4 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7, 9. Column D, we have 5, 7 and 9. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I and 2nd row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 8. 10th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade. And then column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come here another two cells. We will confirm later. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come here another two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come here another cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 5. 5 will come in one of the cells. So 5 can't come in the cell. Column I also we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Column H also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, 9th row, we have 219. So 219 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row and 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 6 also here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. First grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 can't confirm here. Then 5 is here. 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row and 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column I, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. First grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 3rd row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 4th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.